Let's see this question. 6 engineers can build a server in 10 hours. Another 6 engineers start to build the same server at 11 am and 1 engineer per hour is added beginning at 5 pm. At what time will the server be complete? So they are saying that the total time required, or the total effort, you can say effort, the total effort required to build a server is, when 6 engineers are working, they can do it in 10 hours, which means the total effort required is 6 engineers have to contribute 10 hours each. So which means 60 engineering hours are required in order to finish the server, right? And if you see the way other group of people are working, they are saying that another 6 engineers start to build the server at 11 am, which means at 11 am another 6 engineers are starting to work, okay, to build the same server at 11 am, and 1 engineer per hour is added beginning at 5 pm, which means from 5 pm. So you can understand from the data that from 11 am to 5 pm 6 engineers are working on that, and after that every hour 1 engineer is added, and 1 engineer per hour is added beginning from 5 pm. So which means from 5 pm it is going to increase. From 5 to 6, 7 engineers are going to work on the project, and from 6 to 7, 8 engineers are going to work on the project, and 7 to 8, 9 engineers are going to work on the project, and so on. Okay, so now they are saying that if this is the way people are working on it, then when do we finish the project? At what time will this server be complete? Which means they are asking about this completion time. So will they finish at 8 pm or 9 pm or 10 pm or at what time? Now we have to equate the efforts. Now let's see what is the effort given by the other group. Now if they are working from 11 to 5, see, from 11 to 5 there are 6 hours, and in these 6 hours 6 engineers are working. Therefore the effort given by this group of 6 engineers during this period is going to be 6 into 6, which is nothing but 36 engineering hours, plus every 1 hour these efforts are added. So next hour how much is added? 7 into 1, which means 7 engineering hours is added, and in the next hour how many? 8. In the next hour 9 engineering hours, so on. Got it? Now we have to equate these two efforts. So the total effort required is 60, and the way they are adding the efforts is like this. Now we have to equate these two and see what this series should be. Okay, so which means this should be equal to 60 engineering hours, right? Now if you try to find out the difference between these two, you'll find out that this series should be equal to 24, right? Which is 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus so on should be equal to 24, right? Now we should find out what is this sum so that it is equal to 24. Now if you see this, 7 plus 8 equal to 15, 15 plus 9 equal to 24, right? Therefore if I go till this, it is enough. 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24, which means 7 plus 8 plus 9. By 8 pm, if I work till 8 pm and if I add this entire efforts, it is going to be the total effort required, which is 60 engineering hours, right? Therefore the project will be completed at 8 pm. Okay.